Hi guys, welcome to another video of Candlestick series. So in this video we will be seeing what are called spinning tops. So as you can see, these candles are those candles in which the shadows and wicks are really long, and the difference between open and close is not much. So in these kind of candles, which are called spinning tops, the color of the body does not matter. It can be a bearish spinning top, or it can be a bearish spinning top, or it can be also a bullish spinning top. So the color of the body does not matter. What matters is that the candlestick has a very small body. That is the difference between open and close. The difference between open and close is not that big, and it has a very long wicks. So this is what is called spinning tops. These candlesticks are also known as indecisive candlesticks, which means now either the market will pause and reverse the trend, or the market will pause and continue the trend. So let's see some examples for better understanding. So here is one example. You can see that market was in a downtrend. After downtrend, it started to form spinning tops over here. You can see here, and once it formed the spinning tops, as you can see, the bodies are very small and it has a long wicks. The market paused for a while, and from there it took a reversal and went for an uptrend. Yeah, let's take another example. You can see here the market was in a downtrend, and it started making spinning tops here. It took a pause for a while, and then it again continued for a downtrend. So as we can see both the examples, like in the first example the market was going down, and then it started again, reversed the complete direction and went up. And in this example we can see that it formed a spinning top, paused for a while, and then continued to the downward direction. Let's see over an uptrend. Over here you can see the market was continuously in an uptrend. It started forming spinning tops. The market paused for a while and then took a reversal and started going down. Yeah. And now let's see another example. The market was in a continuous uptrend. It started forming spinning top. The market paused for a while and then again continued in an uptrend. So what you can make out of is this: spinning tops basically represent indecisiveness in the market. That simply means the market will now, rest for a while, and then either it will continue the trend or the trend will completely reverse. So generally what happens whenever an indecisive candle is formed in a market, smart traders generally wait and pause for a while and don't trade that time. They see what will be the next move. So as you can see, the high of these candles were broken and then it continued. So generally, whenever indecisive candle like spinning top is formed, you should wait and you should look for, like what direction the market will continue. Either the trend will continue, or the trend will break. You should wait for a while and then you should take your trade. Yeah. So if you like the video, if you feel like you learned something today out of this and you learned about spinning top, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubts or any queries, please drop it down over the comment section. Thank you for watching.